Hi, I'm Artie Hendricks.
I'm Rob Callahan, owners of Landmark Roofing.
We want to thank you for choosing to work with us. We greatly value the opportunity and look forward to working together.
We are committed to running our business based on our core values, which are do the right thing, communication, and commitment.
We have a proven roofing process at Landmark Roofing and a promise to treat your home like our very own. Here's what you can expect during your roof installation process.
You will receive a call and an email with a delivery date for your materials. Please keep your driveway clear the day of the delivery and the install. Installation usually starts within days of the delivery, weather permitting. Install crew arrives around 7 a.m. for the day of the install. A Landmark project manager will give you a call the day prior to the installation and be on site the morning of the install. You can speak with him with any questions or concerns about the installation. The Landmark team will cover the perimeter with tarps and move any outdoor furniture as needed, but please let us know of any valuable furniture or garden areas we need to pay special attention to.
Our installed crews will remove old roofing materials in phases so that no large sections are left undone in case bad weather arises. Roof decking is then inspected and replaced where necessary. Roofing underlayment is installed over a clean roof deck. Shingles are then installed with the proper mount and placement of fasteners. Any roof penetrations are reflashed, sealed, and painted if needed. The crew will leave the job clean using magnets, rakes, and blowers. Please mow your lawn prior to the install. A maintained yard will allow us to clean up nails and debris effectively.
The Landmark project manager is responsible for the job and will complete an install quality assurance inspection. Once the roof is complete, the project manager will have you sign our completion certificate, collect payment, and ask you for a review of our company and the process. Please note that you may see granules on splash blocks or gutter outlets, and this is normal for the installation process. Please note that delivery trucks and equipment are extremely heavy. Even though we will take every precaution, Landmark cannot assume liability for any damages caused by delivery trucks and or equipment during delivery as they come from the supply house and are not owned by Landmark. One final reminder, please remove any valuables hanging on your walls as they may become unstable during the construction process. Cover any valuables in your attic, whole house fans, and underneath skylights as some debris may fall through.
Like Rob said, we live our core values: to do the right thing, communication, and commitment. What makes Landmark different? Our attention to detail, unmatched commitment, and follow through. Thanks again for the opportunity.